Hey tech fam, what if I told you Samsung's next budget foldable, the Galaxy Z Flip FE, might just be a carbon copy of the Z Flip 6? Leaked renders just dropped, and oh boy, they've got us talking. Stick around because this could change everything or nothing at all about affordable foldables in 2025. Alright, let's dive in. Samsung's Galaxy Z Flip 6 hit the scene last year with its sleek clamshell vibes, that 3.4-inch cover screen, and a premium foldable feel. Now, whispers of a fan edition, the Z Flip FE promised the same foldable fun at a lower price. But these fresh renders, they're screaming deja vu. Same dual cameras, same cover screen shape. Seriously, is Samsung just hitting copy-paste? Let's break it down. The Z Flip FE's leaked design shows a 3.4-inch cover screen identical to the Z Flip 6. The dual camera setup? Yep, still there, nestled in that folder-like cutout. Dimensions are super close too, 165.1 by 71.7 by 7.4 millimeters. The Z Flip 6 is 6.9 millimeters thick, so the FE is a tad chunkier. Maybe room for a bigger battery. Oh, and that armor aluminum frame looks like it's sticking around, but here's the kicker. While the flagship Z Flip 7 might get a massive cover screen upgrade, the FE seems stuck in 2024. Budget vibes or lazy design? You tell me. Now, design's only half the story. Samsung's gotta cut costs somewhere to make this fan edition wallet-friendly. Rumor has it the Z Flip FE could rock the Exynos 2400 processor. Think Galaxy S24 FE vibes instead of the latest Snapdragon. Solid, but not cutting edge. The main screen, still 6.7 inches of foldable glory. Cameras, probably the same 50 megapixel main and 12 megapixel ultra-wide combo. So you're getting Z Flip 6 looks with maybe a slight spec downgrade. Is that a win for budget buyers or a snooze for tech junkies craving something fresh? Here's why this matters. Foldables are still pricey. The Z Flip 6 launched at $1,100, while Motorola's Razr 50 starts at $700. If Samsung nails the price, like say $800 or less, the Z Flip FE could shake up the game, bringing foldable tech to more pockets. But if it's just a Z Flip 6 rehash with no real savings, why not grab last year's model on sale? These leaks have me torn. Practical or predictable? I need your take. So the big question, is the Z Flip FE a budget hero or a design snooze fest? We won't know for sure until Samsung spills the beans, probably around July 2025 with the Z Flip 7 and Fold 7. Speaking of which, the Z Flip 7's rumored full-size cover screen looks insane. Could the FE be left in the dust? Stay tuned because I'll be digging into every leak as it drops. What do you think? Hyped for the Z Flip FE or skipping it for something bolder? Smash that like button if you're team foldable and drop your thoughts in the comments.